Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we figure out when the garden season will be over. Here's a clip from the show. So we have 8 weeks left of the garden season, and I'm starting to think about how to roll this garden through the end of the season. So typically a garden planted in warm weather and cool weather plants with minimal covers put on for the few cold nights that we're going to have will easily go 4 weeks past your first frost date. So this gives you a ballpark number so you can plan out the end of your garden in the fall. So the warm weather plants, they're going to struggle beyond 4 weeks past your average frost date, even if it's not frozen yet. So the night temperatures, they're just too cold. They just hover right there above freezing. So the cold weather plants, they can go up to about 8 weeks past your average first frost date in the fall if you cover them on the nights that are predicted to go below 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So in zones 8 and 10, you can grow your cold weather plants all winter long, and this is actually the best season for them. So our first average frost date for this garden is in 3 weeks, around week 28. And I'll grow this garden 5 weeks past our first frost date until week 33. And then I'll take the garden out and show you how to put the garden to bed for the whole season. You know, it's really hard to believe that we're talking about winter and frost already. And it's really amazing how fast the seasons kind of come and go. But if you want to find out your first average frost date for the fall, do an online search for first average frost date and include your city and your state. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show, Year 9, Week 25. If you want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.